Channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share what all zodiac signs are going to get married in the year 2025. In this video, I'm going to share how Jupiter is going to impact your life, as Jupiter is a planet which is connected to the knowledge, wisdom, expansion, and the luck. So Jupiter usually change its zodiac sign in 12 months. It stays in one zodiac sign in 12 months, but in year 2025, Jupiter is going to change its zodiac sign 3 times. First, it is going to sit in Taurus till April. Afterward, it is going to sit in Gemini and then Cancer, and then again it will get retrograde. So in this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen with each zodiac sign, how it is going to impact each zodiac sign. But the good part is that 2025 is a great year for the singles who are looking to get married. So there are a lot of signs who are going to get married in the year 2025, but this particular year will not be so good health wise, and there will be the problem in the relationship. Maybe fights may happen in the relationship. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about each zodiac sign. So if you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that fast journey in 2025. Usually Jupiter moves and changes the zodiac sign once in 12 months, but in year 2025 it is going to change its zodiac sign 3 times. So till January till April, Jupiter is going to sit in Taurus. From April till September, Jupiter is going to sit in Gemini. Usually Jupiter sits for 12 months, but this time Jupiter is going to sit for 4 to 5 months in the sign Gemini. And third, from September onwards, Jupiter is going to sit in the Cancer, and where the Jupiter is exalted, where the Jupiter is at the favorable position. But again there will be the twist, and then Jupiter is going to get retrograde. Jupiter will start moving backward, will go again to the zodiac sign, that is Gemini. So this particular speed up of Jupiter have a lot of impact in our life. When Jupiter, which is a planet of blessings, Jupiter which is a beneficial planet and moving in such a speed, in some area it is good, but sometimes it gives a lot of negative things also in the life. So it has been seen that after March, after April, people are going to see a lot of ups and downs in their life, problem in their personal life, maybe fights with their partner, fights with their family members, ego clashes. At the country level, there are a lot of changes which are going to happen at the country level. Fights, financial issues, problems in the problems finances wise people may face, problem career wise people may face. It will not be so easy time for all of us because of this particular speed up of Jupiter in the year 2025. So now let's understand for each zodiac sign how this speed up is going to affect us. Along with that, I will be going to help you out. Aries 2025, in the year 2025, Jupiter will bless you with a good finances. Finances wise, you are going to see there is an increase in the income. If you are looking for a job change, then there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job successfully. This is a time to start something new, to grow finances wise. With the blessings, Jupiter is going to bless with you a good finances. But few things that you have to take care of, that you are going to manage your finances very well. Try to keep an eye on your expenses. Otherwise, with the blessings of the Jupiter in the year 2025, finances wise, you are going to grow. Second, it seems like with the blessings of the Jupiter, you are going to see a lot of improvement in your communication. You will be blessed with a good communication. You can, if you are a teacher or a speaker or you are a counselor, then this is a good time for you. You will be more expressive. You will be able to express your feelings very smoothly, and you are going to see a growth in your career during this time. So this is a good time for you to work on your own self. This is a good time for the self-analysis. But this 2025 year will not be so good year health wise. Health wise, you have to be little bit conscious. Don't take your health for granted in year 2025. Not only you, but at the country level also, people are going to face health related problem in the year 2025. So for Aries people, you have to be little bit conscious in your health. Otherwise, career wise and finances wise, things will improve in the year 2025. Family wise, you will be going to see a happiness in your family. Your relationship with your family members will be going to improve, and you are going to see more happiness and harmony among the family members. To enhance your luck in the year 2025, try to listen to 28 names of Goddess Radha and pray for your well-being. It will help you a lot. Taurus, if you are single and you are looking to get married, then 2025 is a perfect year to go ahead with. So Jupiter, with the blessings of the Jupiter, singles will be going to get married in 2025. If you're looking for a partner, there is a high possibility you end up attracting the right partner and your marriage will be fixed in year 2025. There are multiple yogs which you can see in year 2025. The video has already been posted on it. From there you can check that what all timings there is a high possibility that your marriage will be fixed. So 2025 Jupiter blessings will be on your marriage. So with the Jupiter blessings, your marriage will be fixed. Career wise, things will grow in your career. You are going to get multiple opportunities from the Jupiter side. So things will be going to grow in your career side also. Finances side, it seems like that you have to manage your finances well. You have to keep an eye on your finances. Money will come to you, but savings will be the problem in the year 2025. 2025, you have to take care of your elder family member. You have to spend more time with them. It has been seen that they may face health related problem in the year 2025. So it is suggested that try to spend more time with the elder family member. So it will help you out. So they require that emotional and the physical support from your side. So this is a year where you have to be conscious. Maybe a fights among the family member or issues may happen among the family members. That part you have to be conscious. And this is a year where there may be the possibility of selling some property or buying some property. So here it is suggested then try not to take any impulsive decision in the year 2025. Otherwise, this is a good year for the Taurus people. Singles are going to get married, and career-wise, you are going to get more opportunities. To overall enhance your luck in 2025 and to get the blessings of the Jupiter, try to feed cows bananas every Thursday. 2025 is a good year for the singles who are looking to get married. There is a high possibility with the blessings of the Jupiter, you will end up attracting the right partner and your marriage will be fixed in the year 2025. What all yog are there? Where is a yog to get married? On what all dates there is a yog? You can check the video on the detailed video about 2025 prediction. There I have already shared that what all dates and the months are there where your marriage will be fixed. But this year will not be so good health wise. You have to be conscious. Don't take your health for granted during this time. Try to exercise, try to eat healthy food, as 2025 is not a good year health wise. There is a high possibility of a change of a place. There is a foreign travel. You may travel to foreign countries because of your career or because of your personal reasons also. But this is a year may Jupiter may give you the defame in the society. So you have to be conscious while saying something in your organization or in your personal life. That part you have to be a little bit conscious. Otherwise, this will be a good year. There is a high possibility that you may purchase a property also in the year 2025 with the blessings of the Jupiter. But make sure you are not taking any impulsive decision. Be sure check all the documents before finalization of any deal. To enhance your luck in 2025 and to get the blessings of Jupiter in the year 2025, try to light up a lamp daily after the sunset in near the Tulsi plant or in your home temple. It will help you out to get the blessings and to enhance your Jupiter planet in the year 2025. Cancer people, as Jupiter is the main planet for you, but in the year 2025, especially in the first half of the 2025, will not be so favorable period for you. Jupiter will be going to act negative for you during that time, and it will give you ups and downs in your marriage life and the relationship. There is a high possibility of a change of a place also because of the Jupiter, and you have to take care of your health also during this time. Maybe the differences between the family members. So being Jupiter will not be so positive for you in the first half of the 2025 year. So that part you have to be a little bit calmer. You have to work with the patience. try not to take any impulsive decision during this time, because Jupiter will be negative at that time. It can create a problem among the family members also, maybe the misunderstanding between you and your partner or between the family members. So you have to be a little bit calmer during that time. As Cancer people, you always remember that when there is a darkness, then always the light is there. Try to get the opportunity out of this dark time. Always remember that universe is always ready to give you the blessings, but there is some hard time also, and when the hard time come in our life, it comes to make the positive changes in your life. If there is a hard time, then afterward there will be some good time will also come in your life. So during this time you have to be little bit patient. Try to be more calmer, try to be more patient, try to show more patience during this time. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges, try to offer water to the sun daily and chant Radhe Radhe daily for 24 minutes. It will help you out to remove the karmic blockages from your life and will help you out to enhance your Jupiter. Leo, if you are a parent, then 2025 is a great year for you. There is a high possibility you are going to see a growth of your child, and your child's success will be seen in the year 2025. This is a good year career wise. If your promotion is due, there is a high possibility you will be promoted with the blessings of the Jupiter. If you are looking to purchase a property, this is a perfect year to go ahead with the blessings of the Jupiter. You are going to get a lot of benefits from the property, or you may purchase a new property. This is a year where there is a high possibility of a change of a place, but finances wise you are going to get the finances, but savings will be the problem. You have to keep an eye on your savings to get more blessings of the Jupiter in year 2025. Try to light up a lamp daily near Tulsi plant, and sitting near it, try to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. It will help you out to enhance more your Jupiter planet. So are you ready to get the blessings in the year 2000? Virgo, for the singles who are looking to get married, then 2025 is a perfect year. With the blessings of the Jupiter, your marriage will be fixed. If you are looking to attract the right partner, with the blessings of the Jupiter, you will end up attracting the right partner. This is a good year. Expansion wise, you are going to see the expansion of the family, expansion of the finances, and even for the people who are looking to conceive a child, then 2025 there is a high possibility with the blessings of the Jupiter they will be able to conceive the child successfully. So this is a good year overall. Singles will get married, finances wise this will be the growth, career wise things will improve, but Jupiter will be going to give you the negative effect health wise. Health wise you have to be a little bit cautious. Try to avoid taking your health for granted. Eat healthy food, do exercise regularly, because 2025 year will not be so good year health wise. Jupiter will create the problem health wise. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your Jupiter planet in the year 2025, try every Thursday, try to do fasting. It will help you to enhance your life. Libra, 2025 Jupiter will be not so positive for you. So this time you have to take care of your health. Health wise you have to be a little bit conscious. Don't take your health for granted in the year 2025. This will be a transformation year for you. You are going to see a lot of changes in your life because of Jupiter in the year 2025. Avoid taking any impulsive decision in the 2025 year, because Jupiter will not be so positive for you in year 2025. To enhance your Jupiter planet in the year 2025, try to donate bananas every Thursday throughout the year. It will help you out to overcome Scorpio, for the singles who are looking to get married, there is a high possibility their marriage will be fixed and will be done in the year 2025. For the people who are looking to attract the right partner, there is a high possibility they will end up attracting the right partner in 2025. 2025 there is a high possibility of a change of a place also. Jupiter is ready to give you the blessings, and it is a very good time for manifestation for the Scorpio people. This is a year for the wish fulfillment, but this year will not be so good health wise you have to be a little bit cautious. Avoid taking any impulsive decision, and don't take your health for granted. to overcome the challenges and to enhance more your Jupiter planet in the year 2025. Listen to Vishnu Sahasranam daily. It will help you out to enhance your Jupiter. In the year 2025, there is a high possibility of a change of a place. There is a possibility with the blessings of the Jupiter, you may go away from your birthplace or away from your family and settle down in any country, in the foreign country, and the settlement will be a positive settlement for you. Career wise, you are going to see the growth. Finances wise, you are going to see the growth, but 2025 will not be so good year health wise. Health wise, you have to be conscious and avoid taking any impulsive decision in the year 2025. To enhance your Jupiter planet in the year 2025, try to light up a lamp daily after the sunset, the day when you watch this video. It will help you out to enhance your luck and to enhance your Jupiter. Capricorn, for the singles who are looking to get married, there is a high possibility with the blessings of the Jupiter, you will end up attracting the right partner. This is a good year finances wise, career wise, you are going to see the growth. But you have to be conscious relationship wise. There may be the possibility of a fight in the relationship. Otherwise, this will be a good year for you. But you have to take care of your mental health and health wise. Be conscious taking any impulsive decision. To enhance your Jupiter planet, daily try to chant Radhe Radhe 24 minutes before you sleep. It will help you to enhance your Jupiter. Aquarius, 2025, with the blessings of the Jupiter, there is a high possibility of a change of a place, and this change of a place is a positive for you. Finances wise, you are going to see a growth. Career wise, you are going to see a growth. But this particular year is not so good health wise. Health wise, you have to be a little bit conscious and avoid taking any impulsive decision in the year 2025. To enhance your Jupiter planet and to enhance your luck in the year 2025, try to chant Radhe Radhe daily, 12 minutes in the morning and 12 minutes before you sleep. It will help you out to overcome the challenges. 2025 is a year where you have to be very much conscious related to your health, defame in the society, and there will be the multiple changes you are going to see in your career in the year 2025. So this is a year of the transformation for you. You have to accept the transformation and start moving on in your life. So the Jupiter planet placement for you in the year 2025 will be average. So try to work more on yourself and to enhance your Jupiter planet. Try to feed bananas to the cows every Thursday throughout the year. It will help you out to overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck. So 2025, this I have already explained for each zodiac sign how Jupiter planet is going to affect your life, as it is the most important planet. So I would like to share a few remedies that every one of us should do in 2025 year to enhance the luck. First, to enhance the Jupiter planet, try to chant daily Radhe Radhe for 24 minutes without miss. Try to feed cows bananas throughout the year. It will help you out to enhance your Jupiter planet. And if possible, then try to offer water to sun daily and start waking up early in the morning. Try to be more disciplined and eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. Avoid, if you're eating non-veg, try to avoid non-veg in the year 2025, so that Jupiter planet, which is a planet of the luck and the expansion, will be your side. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification.